This video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove unsubscribe and bounce emails from Mailchimp. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is mailchimp.com. From in there, you have the option to either sign up if you do not have an account yet and you're looking forward to creating an account, or if you already have one, just head over and click onto this login option that we can see right here. Since I already have an account, let me head over and then log in. Now this is what the homepage looks like. So into this part, what we can do is we can head over to our actual audience and you can find in here all of the contacts that we have so far. So we have in here some customers and as you can see, there are two of them that have unsubscribed. So in order to remove those emails from our contact list, what we can do is we can click onto this tick box right here just beside their email. And then from in there, click onto this archive option. Doing this will stop them from counting towards your billing and remove them entirely. So click on this option right here and then type archive to confirm this. So I'll head over and type archive. Click onto this archive option and do take note that when you archive a contact, you will be able to retain this historical data and you can unarchive or import them anytime. But since they're already archived, it won't count towards your billing limits and you won't receive your marketing using this right here. Click onto this archive option in order to finalize this. And as you can see, this will load again and those customers have now been removed right here. If you want to see them again, you can head over and click onto this more options and you can find them under the archive contacts that we can see right here. So that's all there is today and I hope this video actually helped you out.